Hi children, welcome to our EVS class. Children, in this session we are going to learn about season in a year. Let's see one by one. Children, can you tell me how many season in a year? Listen, a year is made up of 5 main season. We divide a year into different parts called seasons. These seasons are known as winter, spring, summer, rainy, and autumn. Listen, children, some seasons are hot while some are cold. Listen, each season has different amount of sunlight, rainfalls, and temperature. For example, winter is a season known for cold weather. Summer is known for heat, and the rainy season is known for heavy rainfall. Let's see one by one. Children, now we are going to recall about summer season. Listen, summer is the hottest season of the year. During the summer season, the sun shines brightly, heating up everything around us. We wear light colored cotton clothes that keeps our body cool during the summer season. We all like to drink cool drinks such as lemonades, fruits, juice, shakes, lassi, etc. We are all like to eat ice cream in the season. Mango is a fruit that we love to eat in summer. Children, now we are going to recall about rainy season. Children, listen, rainy season comes after the summer season. We like to eat cutlets, roasted corn, etc. We use umbrellas and raincoats to avoid getting wet during the rainy season. Due to heavy rainfall, water gets collected along the roadside, forming puddles. Listen, many of us like to sail our paper boats in the puddles. Children, now we are going to recall about autumn season. Observe the picture and listen. Listen, during the autumn season, leaves of trees turn dry because became yellow or brown and fall off. The month of October and November are known as the autumn months. During this season, we begin to feel a little cold. Most animals and birds begins to store food during the autumn season for the upcoming month of winter season. Observe the picture and listen. Which season comes after the autumn? Yes, winter season comes after the autumn. It is the period from November to January. In some areas, snow also falls from the sky during the winter. Listen, we wear warm clothes in winter, sweaters, jackets, overcoats, gloves, woolen socks, and caps are also worn by us to protect ourselves from the cold. We use heavy blankets while sleeping so that we do not feel cold at night. People drink hot milk, tea, and coffee to keep themselves warm during this season. Observe the picture and listen. After winter comes the spring season. Listen, spring season usually comes during the month of February and March. We feel neither too hot nor too cold during springtime. Spring is the season when we can see beautiful flowers blossoming around. New green leaves appear on the trees. Parks and other places look beautiful because of colorful flowers. Children, now it's time for homework. Do question number 4, page number 29 in workbook. The question is, what are the different type of clothes that we must wear to protect ourselves in the winter season? One more question. Do question number 5, page number 30 in workbook. The question is, make flowers from pencil saving. Paste them in the box given below. Now it's time for reading homework. Read and write one time chapter and keywords 5 to 8 in rough note. Refer your EVS note. Upload your work through Google Classroom app, children. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected, keep learning. Thank you, children.